Today we will be 3D printing an airplane. Step 1. Find the print file that you would like and download it. Step 2. Use your preferred slicer program to slice it. Step 3. Export the file from the slicer into a USB. Step 4. Put the USB into the 3D printer. Step 5. Put on the filament into the printer that you wish to use for this. Step 6. Watch the first 3 layers go down to make sure that nothing goes wrong. After that, you may wait until it is done. Step 7. Remove plane from plate without bending anything. Step 8. Bend the wings like shown in the video. Step 9. Test it out. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is how you 3D print an airplane.